Hi, Brianna. My name is Miss Terizzi. I'm going to be your virtual math teacher at Middle School West. Welcome to West. I look forward to working with you. Um, you've already joined my Google Classroom, which is awesome. And let me show you where you're going to get started. In your Google Classroom, you're going to go up to the top here and click your classwork tab. Now, you are in an interesting situation because you're joining me late in the year. And when you open up your Google Classroom to the classwork tab, right now at the top, you will see the week of 5/2 posted at the top. That's next week. Well, you're not going to start there. What I'm going to have you do is scroll down to the week of 4/4. So you're going to want to write this down. You are going to start with the week of 4/4, even though that is not the actual date. I'm trying to put you in a place where you can be successful, learn something between now and the end of the year, but not get super stressed out because there are things that I would expect you to know that you don't know. So anyway, you are going to scroll down to the week of 4/4. And this is how things are going to work. If you want to see that week of 4/4, what the assignments look like, you can always click on the weekly plan. But to be honest, you can kind of ignore that because the weekly plan is really spelled out in the list of assignments. Now, you're going to want to print out this homework and note packet. It will make things a lot easier if you have these. If you do not have access to a printer, you can let me know, and I will be happy to provide you with a copy of these. Then, there are 2 videos listed here. You're always going to start at the top of a week and work your way down. These 2 are just for you. Nobody else in the school can see these, but I want you to watch this video. That'll explain to you how to do Class Kick in case you've never used it. And then this is an intro video for IXL, which is another program we use. Then, what you will do, I cannot stress this enough. When you are working your way through the week, you need to go in order. So, this is how my Google Classroom is set up. This is assignment number 1 for the week. And you would do that on day 1 if you're chunking things daily. You will click on this Ed puzzle, and that Ed puzzle will match up with pages in the note packet that you printed up here. I will teach you the lesson, you will answer questions, and here's the key. When you do this, you need to watch the video and answer all questions all the way to the very end. When you do that, you'll hit submit, and then you're done with the first assignment. The second assignment is to upload the notes that you just took in that video to Class Kick. So you'll click on this and you will upload a picture of your notes so I can see that you've completed them. Now, after you do that, you're going to click on assignment number 3. Assignment number 3 is another Ed puzzle video that matches the homework packet that you printed earlier. And the video will take you through classwork. You'll hear me explaining problems. I will ask you to do problems and enter your answer. Here's the most important thing. After you enter your answer, I will come back up on the video and explain to you how you should have done the problem. So if you made a mistake, then you need to correct it and learn from it. And again, you'll go all the way through that video, answering all of the questions all the way to the end. And then the 4th assignment is uploading a picture of that completed work to Class Kick, which you'll learn how to do in one of those other videos. Those 4 things together are worth 5 points. Once you have completed those 5 things, I will put them in Infinite Campus. And then lesson 5 day one, is practice on IXL on the skills that you just learned here. I want you to do these 2 IXLs and get a score of 80. And when you get those to a score of 80 each, I'll enter it into the grade book so you can see that you've completed it. That would be 1 day's worth of work. So you're starting tomorrow, so I would kind of expect that tomorrow that would be what you would accomplish. But I mean, we're not hard and fast on our days, but then you keep going all the way down this list, all the way down the list of 4-4. You can see that there are 20 assignments in that week. Some of them are grouped together, some of them are quizzes, practices. And when you get done with this 20th assignment, what you will then do is you will go up to the week of 418 because you've completed the week of 4-4. We skipped a week because we were on spring break, so that's why there's no week of 411. So you would then go to the week of 418 and again start right at the very beginning. You're not going to do this PSSA training. In fact, right now, I'm going to get rid of it for you. You won't even see that. You can ignore that. It won't be in your Google Classroom. So you'll start with assignment number 1, and you will work your way all the way down that week to assignment 20, and then you will go up to the next week, which would be the week of 425, and work from the top down. If you end up having questions on things or don't understand or need help, feel free to email me. But I look forward to working with you. And if you are confused of what to do, please send me an email and I can see if we can set up a meeting. Okay, I look forward to working with you.